Well, hello YouTube, it is me, Tri-State EDC, with another TRM, Three Rivers Manufacturing. Made in America with love, may cause cancer in California. This box seems empty, but I assure you it is not. I ran into them at River's Edge Cutlery up in Columbus recently, and they handed me one of two knives. They handed me two knives. This one and the good old Bulldog, which I just reviewed. Video linked down below, I guess, maybe. Future me, good luck. This one's a little smaller, a little lighter, and a little my speed. Smeed? I have a live stream in an hour, and I need a nap. Let's bust into this thing together right now. That's right, TRM, USA, made in America with love. Let's slide her on out. Slide her on out. Inside, we have a thing, we have a sticker, we have a thing. Please do not oil, which seems counterintuitive again. $270. Worth it. Worth it. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's the nerd. That is the TRM holy nerd. Blessings be. It's teeny tiny. It's teeny tiny. Right off the bat. Let's get the size comparison out of the way. Yeah, it's a little guy. It's a little itsy bitsy little thing. PM2, pair 3. Little cutie patoot. Kind of the definition of a cutie patoot. The legal definition. If you go into the dictionary and look up cutie patoot, that's what you're going to see. You're going to see that knife right there. What grabbed my attention about this knife is that camo carbon. That 80s camo carbon, dude. Oh, that is just so right up my alley. Nested stainless liners, 80s camo carbon wrapped around it, T8 hardware, T8 pivot, T6 body screws, deep carry clip, ultra deep carry clip, love it, and it's tiny. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. Look at it. Magnet cut on the blade, wafer thin blade stock. I'm just loving this thing. Let's pop her open. Can I thumb flick it? Yeah, I can. Look at that. Nice, clean, kind of a reverse Tonto situation going on, blade style-wise. I'm going to call it a reverse Tonto. Kind of a drawn point, kind of a reverse Tonto. But this little guy, this little cutie, let's do an open size comparison. Let's do tip to tip. There's a PM2. There is the pair 3. I mean, it is adorable. It's adorable, dude. I can't handle it. How damn cute it is. It's so tiny. I love it so much. Ergos on this guy. Contoured carbon scales. Contoured. Classy, I know. In hand. Yeah. Choke back. It's a 3-finger grip for me. It's tiny. 3-finger grip. Pinky out kind of knife. Thumb out on that blade. That feels fine. I'm locked in. That feels good. But we do have a really nice finger choil. So I can choke up. Now it's a 4-finger grip. I'm locked and loaded. I'm ready for business. I'm ready for the cardboard of the day, which in this household, I'm looking at a mountain of cardboard. There's a lot of cardboard in this house. That's all I have to say. But that feels like home, man. Kind of nestle into that crook of the blade right there. Oh, the ergos are stupid on this. And again, it weighs nothing. Pinch grip, you bet your tits, it's an all day. That's 2 in a row. TRM, pinch grip all day. Congrats. It's a rare thing. I don't just stumble upon mountains of pinch grip knives. It's a rare thing, and it's kind of sad. But 2 in a row, TRM, pinch grip all day. It's magnificent. Love it. Ergos are exceptional. It is a liner lock. Action on washers. It's a little stiff. But thumb flick works fine. Reverse flick works okay. I have the same complaint with this knife as I do the Bulldog. I want this flicking hole extended out just a little bit to like here. Just extend that flicking hole out, dude, so I have more leverage. Because the D10's fine. God, it's fine. But the hole's tiny. Future me, have fun putting dirty sound effects in. It's just, the hole's too small. It's too tight. It's too high and tight. I need a little bit more length on that hole. If TRM just extended their holes across the line, kinky, I would be in love with all of their knives. I'm already in love with their knives. They cut great. The ergos are amazing. The build quality is amazing. The price point for being all American made is exceptional. But the fidget factor is lacking. And that's the part of a knife that I feel is most important. Cutting performance. Forget ergos. I don't care. Can I play with it like it's a children's toy? Yes or no? The answer is no, I can't. But I can make it happen. Drop shut, no. It's on washers. So, but it is nice and smooth. It is nice and smooth. The pinch and roll is very satisfying. But, again, I miss a lot of flicks on both of these knives. I miss a lot of flicks. And it really it makes me sad. Because I love both these knives. And I want to carry them and play with them. But I can't. I'm not, I don't have tiny little pencil fingers. You know what I mean? Acoustics are non-existent. Maybe they're existent. I don't know. Can you hear that? I don't know. I don't know. The point is, action's good on both of these, but that hole needs to be bigger. That's all there is to it. A bigger hole, and I'm a happy boy. Cutting performance, however, is a different story. It's off the freaking chain. Magna cut on the blade, heat treated to perfection. 6364 HRC, made in America with love. Nice tall flat grind. Mwah. Let me grab some paper real quick. Toy catalog. Toy catalog. What is she up to? What are you doing? Magnetiles? Dude, kids have the coolest toys now. Yeah, dude, it's stupid. It's dumb. Yeah, it's dumb, dude. The cutting performance on these knives out of the box is absurd. They put all their time and energy into cutting performance, and it shows. And I'm here for that. I love. This is such an important part of a knife. Obviously, arguably the most important part of a knife. Will it cut? But if that hole was bigger, God, this would be a 10 out of 10 knife. Both of these would be. If that hole was bigger. Just a little bit longer. As it stands, it's a 6 or a 7. Both of them. They're both exceptional. They're both insane. They're both American made. They're both worth the money. 100%. Are they fidgetable? No. And that bums me out. But links to both of these down below. Grab them for yourself if they're in stock. Shout out to TRM. Thank you guys. They're the sweetest people I've ever met in my entire life. Absolute peaches. Absolute peaches. You know who you are if you're watching this. Love you. Love you a long time. But that is it. Like I said, links down below. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. If you have an Instagram, TikTok, and Threads, I'm out there. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.